Welcome! Today we're going to connect your Brother HL-L6415DW on a wireless network using the WPS button. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Wi-Fi protected setup, better known as WPS, will enable your Brother machine to connect to your wireless router with the push of a button. Before we begin, you'll need to verify that your wireless router has a WPS button. The router's WPS button may be located on the top of the router, on the front, or back. The location will depend on your router's make and model. If your router does not have a WPS button, you'll need to use an alternate method for wireless setup. Click the link on the screen to see other ways to connect. To begin, confirm your Brother machine is powered on. On your Brother machine, press the wireless icon on the touchscreen. Select the WPS option. When prompted to enable WLAN, press Yes. When the Start WPS screen appears, press OK. On your wireless router, press the WPS button. Your Brother machine and the wireless router will now begin the connection process. It may take a minute for the process to complete. If your machine connected successfully, the Connection Successful message will appear. If the connection fails, a confirmation page will print indicating a failed connection. You'll need to reboot the power to your router and the Brother machine and try again. Go to setup.brother.com and download the installation software. Navigate to your installer file and double-click to begin installation. When the device installation window opens, choose your language and click Next. Review the license agreement and click Accept to continue. Then click Next. Now enter your model number and then click Next. Select Wireless Network and then click Next. Verify that your Brother machine is selected and click Next. Select Standard Installation and then click Next. When the software installation is complete, click Next. Now click Close. If your model supports scanning, you'll be prompted to install Brother iPrint&Scan. To install, review the license agreement and click Agree to continue. Then click OK. Click Select your machine. Verify the connection is set to network. Select your model. Then click OK. Click OK again. All the functions your machine supports will be displayed in the iPrint&Scan window. You are now ready to scan and print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.